together the Philippines. As the quote of former CHED Commissioner Ronald Adamat goes, this representation: meaningful leaders do not deform a nation, but reform it for the betterment of the people. The question now is, do we have meaningful leaders around us or in the country? Maybe your guess is as good as mine. As far as I'm concerned, and I think this is also your belief, you share this belief, we can count by our fingers meaningful leaders of our country. Maybe this person seated next to me at the presidential table and the members of officers and members of the IPSD, we can trust them. They are meaningful leaders. That's why we are here today. But by and large, we see meaningless leaders. When I call meaningless leaders, these are the leaders who are deforming this country through massive corruption, through hypocrisy, walang puso, walang kaluluwa, at nakakahiya po tayo sa ibang bansa. There is a news this morning, I heard from the radio, we are now called a country of thieves. Alam po ninyo yon? A country na kung saan nandito yung mga magnanakaw. Nakakahiya po yun. I'm not proud to be a Filipino if my country is called country of thieves. Do you agree with that? Yes. Natutuwa ba kayo na country of thieves sa Pilipinas? No. Of course not. So ano po ang gagawin natin? Kaya po tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong organization because to our belief, we want to be part of the solutions to reform the country. But our country's problems are so complex and huge, which require the adaptation and implementation of what we call RAD leadership framework or approach. Ano po ang RAD leadership approach or framework? RAD. RAD, R stands for resilient. A stands for agile, and D stands for developmental leader. RAD also means effective, cool, and exciting. It's also a short term for radical. We need a radical leader to implement radical change and bring this country to greater heights. And as we see, and for that matter, we see these qualities in Vice President Sara Duterte. Do you agree? Yes. Do you agree? Yes. Do you agree that VP Sara is a RAD leader? Resilient, agile, and developmental. A leader whose dedication to public service is selfless, inspiring, and transformative, with strong conviction in the execution of her sworn duty. A leader who always offers solutions to problems. Look what happened to Davao, Cebu. If the government is scrambling to monitor, to look for solution, anong ginawa ni VP Sara? Without any words, dumating ang relief goods from the people of Davao City. Yes. Yan ang kailangan nating leader. Action agad. Agile leadership is very important. He is always there to offer solutions to problems rather than adhering to blaming game strategy. A leader based on the results of various national surveys clearly showed the highest trust by Filipinos as they are inspired over leadership despite.
Di ba? Hindi. So that's why, no, I am very happy that I came back dito sa Manila. Of course, very proud na in-invite ako ni Commissioner Ronald Adamat. No? Palakpakan natin si Commissioner, no? Si Miss Dang. Pag nakikita ko siya, parang nakikita ko si BP Sara. Dahil, sobrang hardworking. Kalimutan na lang natin yung green yung damit, no? Na sobrang magandang damit yan, na green, no? But she really embodies, no, what a hardworking Vice President VP Sara is all about, no? And I'm sure on the side of DDS Sara All Confederation, no? By the way, what is DDS Sara All Confederation, no? DDS Sara All Confederation is a broad alliance of different groups who are supporting the Duterte family, especially Tatay Digong and Vice President Sara Duterte. Nakakatuwa, no? Palakpakan natin si Tatay Digong. Sinong na-miss dito si Tatay Digong? Ha? Na-miss ba natin lahat? Pwede bang makiusap sa inyo na isalin natin sa mga panalangin natin tuwing gabi before tayo matulog? Let's include Tatay Digong in our prayers, no? Kasi kawawa yung mama, matanda na, sobrang matanda na, kinidnap nila at dinala nila doon. Alam naman natin kung sino talaga ang mastermind yan, no? So we need to pray for him because he is already what, 80 years old? 80 years old na, no? And malamig ba doon, Dok? Sa dahig? Papunta na sa weather na maging malamig na doon. Kawawa naman si tatay natin. 'Di ba? And of course, we would like also to pray for Vice President Sara Duterte, no? So DDS Sara All Confederation is very happy because merong itong isang grupo na VIP SD na nabuo ngayon at madagdag sa isang malaking pamilya ng mga supporters for BP Sara Duterte and PRRD, no? And I am very, very sure, ipupusta lahat kong pera, ipupusta ko na itong VIP SD will be one of the biggest and most effective group that will be advancing and supporting the Duterte brand of leadership, no? So, let's continue the fight, no? Tama yung sinabi ni Commissioner Ronald Adamat, no? Na itong corruption, 1.7 magkano? 1.7 trillion ba? 1.7 trillion tapos aatakihin nila si BP Inday sa 125 million na confidential funds? Di ba mga loko-loko? Oh, tapos merong COA ruling na above board naman yun, no? At hindi pa yan dyan sa flood control. Hindi pa natin nasilip yung farm to market road ng DA. No, hindi pa natin nasilip yung mga dams dyan sa NIA. Adami pang mga government agencies na meron ding mga kabulastugan na ginagawa, no? So this is just the tip of the iceberg actually. That's why VIPSD and all other groups, no, my group, by the way, I'm the national president of Kilosang Pagbabago Pilipinas, no? We are really at the forefront of advancing the transparency advocacy, no? In fact, doon sa Visayas, meron tayong tinayong grupo doon na task force na nag-iikot-ikot sila to investigate, to gather documents that will really expose all those irregularities, no? Especially doon sa mga farm to DPWH and all these things, no? So I hope that we will hold the line. Ang mga tao kasi ngayon, and I'm sure you will agree with me, no? All of us here, I'm sure will agree. Ang mga tao kasi ngayon, ordinaryong tao, hindi nila alam na hawak pala nila sa kamay nila ngayon, at the palm of their hands right now, dalawang matinding kapangyarihan, no? Una, hindi nila alam na hawak pala nila ngayon yung power, no? Pangalawa, malamang I'm sure alam nila pero hindi nila alam paano gamitin ito. So that's why tayo, no, sa DDS Sara All Confederation, VIPSD, itong bagong grupo na I will be really rooting for, no, in the next days to come, and I will be including it in my prayers as well. We will teach people to use that power at the palm of their hands and exercise it. Okay, so again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at magandang umaga po.
Another, we have Engineer Dior Gavino, DDS Sara All Confederation Secretary General.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kay Commissioner...
Being continuously castigated with so many accusations heard against her. A leader or a rad leader, an inspiring leader like BP Sara is what this country direly needs. For when people are inspired of their leader, they volunteer respect, obedience, discipline, and easy to contribute to national unity and development. These are the very reasons why we support and urge BP Sara to run for the presidency in 2028. And promise to support her all the way. Will we agree with the idea that we will support BP Sara all the way for 2028 presidential election? Do we agree? The RAD leadership in her will surely minimize, if not eradicate, massive corruption, poverty, criminality, and moral degradation. Anong nangyayari sa atin ngayon? May moral values pa ba ang mga Pilipinos? Siguro majority demoralized dahil sa nangyayari sa ating bansa. Alam nyo, bilang commissioner ng CHED at isang professor ng graduate school ng mga universities, state universities dito sa Manila at sa probinsya, I have a personal experience kung anong nangyayari sa mga classrooms. Mayroon po akong experience na isang bata, isang estudyante, nahuling cheating, nangungopya. Alam naman natin lahat ang cheating, di ba? Noong pinuna ng isang guro ang isang estudyante. By the way, before I continue, welcome Engineer Gavino, the Secretary General of DDS Sara All Confederation. Welcome, welcome, come here. Noong nahuli yung estudyante na nangungopya, cheating, at pinuna, anong ginawa ng estudyante? Tumawa pa. Sayang, sabi niya, nahuli ako. Noong unang panahon, pagka nahuli yung bata na nangopya, umiiyak yun. Ngayon, hindi na. Parang naging kultura na ang cheating, ang pagnanakaw, ang corruption, walang puso at walang kaluluwa. Nakakalungkot po. Kaya this is the big challenge insofar as this organization is concerned. And we only see a leader who can champion the cause of the Filipino peoples through peace and development in Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Do you agree with that? Yes. Thank you very much.